Hey guys, this is my 2014 PC build. I went with a Phantom 410 case. Retails for $99. Mine's black. I didn't get the white edition. You could also buy the gunmetal for $89 on Amazon. And Newegg has the same price, I believe. All my parts were bought on Amazon. Since I have Prime, I get 2-day shipping. And then for graphics card, I went with the EVGA GTX 770 super clocked. Retails for $375. And so far, I've been able to run everything on Ultra, play Titanfall, Ghost, and it came with a free poster. Kind of cool. And then for my motherboard, I went with an AMD build, so got the M5A 99FX, retails for $135 on Amazon, and has USB 3.0. Pretty much it. Just a pretty good gaming motherboard, not the best. For CPU, I went with the AMD 8350, and actually right now Amazon has a sale, so right now it's a good time to get it for $179.99. I actually got mine for $199, and as you can see, it has 5-star reviews, so everyone seems to like it. So you can save some money on the CPU and get a better graphics card like I did. For RAM, I went and got the G.Skill Sniper, and it runs stock at 2133 Hertz. Although you might have to change it in your BIOS. My computer had it at 1600, so I had to go in there and update it. For CPU cooling, I just went with a Hyper 212 Evo, $34 CPU cooler, and it's really quiet. I like it. I went with a solid state drive just for the operating system. I'm running Windows 7. Boots up in like 15 seconds. And then my 750 watt power supply, Corsair, retail $79.99. Nothing fancy there. Standard power supply. So you can see here's my build, and I added an extra side fan on there. It's all blue, lights up blue. You can see that CPU cooler, and it's really quiet. Can't even hear it. Up on top, it has the fan controls, USB 3.0, and I did add a optical drive, just a standard optical drive for the operating system. Nothing fancy. And you can see my gaming mouse. I just bought just a gaming mouse, standard mouse. You can change the color of the light, and then a Logitech gaming keyboard. And I also got a Xbox 360 for PC. Basically just plug and play, just install the driver. If you want to play on your controller, if you're not used to mouse and keyboard, which I'm not, so I had to do that until I get used to it. And here I'll show you I have the solid state drive for operating system and 1 terabyte for all my programs or videos. I will show you my Windows experience so far, the rating. You can see I got a 64-bit, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 8350, and my rating is a 7.8, which is pretty good. I got 7.8 on the CPU and 7.8 on the RAM. Everything else I scored a 7.9, 7.9, 7.9. Maybe if I overclock it, I'll be able to get that perfect score and add some more RAM. Anyways, that's my build.